Off with Riley McKinney celebrating her 8th birthday. Riley, a very big birthday wish to you, kiddo. She's in Arma.
Elizabeth Thompson turns 15 years old this year. Elizabeth is in Chanute.
From 15 to 17, because Caden Young, a little Fort Scott Tiger pride out there. Caden, I hope you can squeeze in a couple more games before the school season starts. And once again, Caden is celebrating in Fort Scott.
Dustin Ashmore celebrating birthday number 34 this year. Somebody must be a Chiefs fan. Dustin is in Frontenac.
What, Casey Wolf photo volley? No. Happy birthday, Dustin. Susan Natalini celebrating her 59th birthday. Nothing like a trip to the K. Susie, a happy birthday to you in Columbus.
All right, and Miss Joyce Haynes is celebrating her 70th birthday this year with special love from Josie, Chris, Serena, and Danielle. Joyce is in Chanute.
Chaz Stoll, a happy birthday to Mr. Stoll. I'm not sure where he's celebrating, but I tell you what, there should be a party.
Well, my list says he's in Chanute.
Oh, I do have that. There are parties in Chanute. There you go. Mr. Stoll, I'm located where your party is at, sir.
All right, we're going to be partying with Chaz and Joyce. Yeah. Paul and Cheryl Ballou are celebrating their 43rd anniversary this year. Congratulations to the Ballous up in Fort Scott.
And Bill and Evelyn Stansberry, they are celebrating their 60th anniversary. Congratulations to Bill and Evelyn in Carl Junction, and also one of our 4 state heroes. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful anniversary.
All right, down in Miami, Lynn McLaughlin is celebrating a birthday today, along with Molly Clugston in Columbus, and Perry Davis turning 63 in Chanute.
Yeah, happy birthday, happy anniversary to all on this July the 29th. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you'll get special deals from local businesses when you do. All you have to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.